Here's how to fix MSVCR100.dll error or MSVCP100.dll error. Trust me, reinstalling this tool will not fix that. After I did what I'll be showing you in this video, I was able to use my tool again. So watch closely as I walk you through. By the end of this video, I'll be showing you where you can get these tool files. So if you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and also leave a comment below while I walk you through. So the first thing I have to do here is to extract both files. This is one of it, and I have to extract the other file too. After extracting, right-click on the tool, click on Open File Location, now the next thing you have to do is to adjust the window to a side, just like what I'm doing here. Watch carefully. Open one of the extracted file, right click on it and select copy. Go back to the file location, right click and select paste. Click on continue. Open the other extracted file. Right click and select copy. Right click in the file location and paste. Click on continue. Close every window. Now open the tool in which you are getting the error. Great, we've been able to fix that. If this works also for you, please let me know in the comment section. Let's log in to confirm if the tool is okay. Now you can see this, it's okay. Leave a comment below if this works for you. To get these two files, there's a link below description. It will take you to our Telegram channel. Join the channel and you will see these files. Download and you are free to use them. You don't have to pay for anything. Thank you for watching.